Hello everyone! Wanna get free traded signals from me? Then send me the code word TEAM in my Telegram and I will add you to my closed Telegram channel where you can make money with me. But for now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment, and press the bell. Let's get started. How about trading on the charts of currency pairs? These charts display exchange rates and reflect the value of one currency expressed in another. The charts are well amenable to technical analysis, so today we will use strategies based on technical analysis, in which it's very important to take into account the level of support and resistance, technical analysis figures, and trend direction. We will trade on a 15-second time frame. Trades will usually be opened for a period of 1 to 5 minutes, depending on behavior of the chart. So now I have $50 in my deposit. In the future, they should turn into $5,000. Sounds pretty interesting, right? I hope this video will be useful for you and you will use some of my methods in your own trade and make some profit. So let's go. In this case, we see a downward trend. I suggest opening a trade for a fall for a minute since the chart crossed the trend line and went up. We can catch a good pullback back to the trend line. Let us observe. This quick trade was justified, the price went down and we earned our first profit. So let's move on to the next trade. Here we see the chart going over the trend line with a subsequent reversal. Let's open a trade for a fall for a minute. Since the chart was already within the trend, we can assume that it will continue to move along the trend and bring us profit. Excellent! The chart continued to move down and we made a profit here. So let's find another good market case. Here we see an uptrend. The chart has a great volatility. Due to this, it would be reasonable to open a trade for a raise for 3 minutes to spare. The chart should continue moving along the trend. So let's see where the price will move. The high volatility of the chart was dangerous, but we could benefit from a longer trade. So let's move on to the next case. Here we see an uptrend that has been exacerbated by pulse green candles. I suggest opening a trade for a raise for a minute. We can take advantage of such a sharp price movement and make money. The chart has given out the expected green candles and we make a profit. Trending is going very well today, so let's continue. Here we see a downtrend approaching to the level of support. I suggest opening a trade for a fall for 1 minute, as we have every reason to believe that the chart will soon approach or cross this level. We didn't have to wait long. The chart crossed the level of support and we make money on another quick trade. So let's move on to the next chart. I returned to the chart after a while, so let's open a trade for a fall for 2 minutes. This trade is justified by the fact that the chart has broken through the level of support and it has all the potential for a further fall. So 2 minutes with such a volatile chart should be enough. The chart has actively continued its downtrend movement and here we make a profit. I have almost $2,000 on my deposit already. We will not stop here. Let's move on to the following market case. We see a downtrend with high volatility and large candles. Let's open a trade for a fall for 2 minutes. We have every reason to believe that the chart will continue to move along the trend and the price will go down. The chart moved quite slowly but in the direction we needed, which allowed us to make a profit in a very short period. So let's find another interesting case. Here we see a very active uptrend. We will not waste time and will open a trade for a race for 1 minute here. The price has been growing very actively recently and we have every reason to believe that this trend will continue. The chart showed surprisingly low volatility, which made this trade quite nervous. However, the entry point still turned out to be lower than the exit point of the trade. And we made a profit. So let's find a confident market case. We'll see that the movement in the chart occurred with a large number of reversals, but the general upward trend remained unchanged. So let's open a trade for a race for 2 minutes. We found a good entry point on a red candle, which gives us an advantage when using fairly short-term trades. The chart showed high volatility, but the general trend moved the chart up and we made money on a short-term trade quite easily. So let's move on to the final trade. We see stable downtrend. Candles are quite large, so let's open a trade for a fall for 3 minutes to spare. The general trend of chart has not changed for a long period of time. I'm sure that this will help us make a profit, so let us observe. The chart was a little naughty, but due to the fact that we opened a trade with time to spare, we made a profit in the last stages. In total, we earned $5,300. So thanks everyone who watched this video to the end. Good luck in your trading. A gentle reminder, send me the code word TEAM to my Telegram and I will add you to my closed Telegram channel where you can get free trading signals from me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave the comment, like my videos, and press the bell. See you soon!